basically we would like to know what is NBT for and why it was constituted by Government of India.
Thank you so much. It's an honor and privilege for me to visit such a beautiful land, Goa. And as far as National Book Trust India is concerned, it's a body under Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, and it's autonomous in nature. The primary mandate of National Book Trust is to promote book reading culture, and not only book reading culture, create an ecosystem where there is a reading habit in the society, and we are heading to create a society which is knowledge based. To create a knowledge based economy, it is very, very important the activities which is editing, formation, writing and distribution of books, that complete ecosystem that leads to a knowledge based economy. And to prove that, National Book Trust of India is committed to work and function as knowledge partner of the nation. Since its foundation 1957, NBT has been doing this job very successfully and in all parts of the country. And the most beautiful part is that we are working with a mandate to provide quality book reading culture, quality books on affordable prices, and to make it accessible in all parts of the country.